Hi there, little artists. I'm Robo-Boo, and guess what? Today we're going to draw something super exciting, an ambulance. Get your colors ready, and let's go!
Now look at this! Ta-da! It's a super helpful ambulance. See the red cross? That means it's ready to help.
You make the best art ever.
Straw wheel up high, so round and neat. Just a circle with some space beneath. Take your time, we're just beginning. A friendly ride with sirens spinning. Now the lower tire goes right below. Nice and slow, let your pencil flow. Two strong wheels to help it steer. Our brave ambulance will soon appear. Line by line, we're drawing it bright. Colors and shapes in the soft sunlight. Step by step, we'll make it shine. This Red Cross truck is yours and mine.
So clever. You did it all by yourself.
The wheels with a red straight line, then a short one on top that works just fine. Now another below, right under the base. You're doing great. Keep your steady pace. Now a line across the bottom near the front. We'll make the shape with care, never a rush or a stunt. Stretch the top like a roof that's wide. And now our van has its proud outside. Line by line, we're drawing it bright. Colors and shapes in the soft sunlight. Step by step, we'll make it shine. This Red Cross truck is yours and mine.
You make the best art ever.
Let's draw the big body just like a box. Round the corners, then add some locks. Windows next, draw them straight. Two little rectangles looking great. Now add some lines to hold it tight. Vertical ones on left and right. Draw some wings, not ones that fly, but ones that help it zoom on by. Draw the circle on top, that's the light. Now one more low, you've got it right. Then a rectangle over on the side, and the siren inside, flashing with pride. Let's add small lines, zigzag and fast. They show the lights when help rushes past. And fill the left panel, color it red. Our ambulance shines from wheel to head. Line by line, we're drawing it bright. Colors and shapes in the soft sunlight. Step by step, we'll make it shine. This Red Cross truck is yours and mine. Now a line on the left side door. Just one more detail before we explore. Draw a Red Cross sign in the middle space. That means help in every place. Line by line, we drew with care. Our ambulance is ready to share. Red and orange, wheels that roll. You gave this drawing a heart and soul.
What a wonderful drawing! You made an amazing ambulance, a real work of art. Next time we'll draw something fun again. See you soon, little artists!